Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Vacator channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What to do? What to do? I'm chilling. Yo, what up, Pond? Yeah, I think I'm gonna sit back at the open today. What's up, Three Pony? Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that, Focus. Throw beat. That's a nice bounce on the 15 on ENVB. This was actually the one I was thinking about. I just would have wanted it closer to man, this was it right there, bud. Morning OG, Trex, Three Pony. Got the gang in here this morning. Good to see you guys. Both of these are looking pretty nice so far. It's good. NVB straight to the top. Beat with the squeeze-oni. What Trey have for beat? 116 and 96. There's no lower than that, huh? Got the downtrend on the 5 though. ENVB is rolling. Looking marvelous. This is a nice bounce off of that level. Kind of saw that one coming. That 5 is looking downtrendy though. Yeah. It was looking real nice down here for sure. Yeah, the 5 was looking kind of shaky to me. This would probably be a really good 5-minute ORB. Well, imagine if it gives us a little pullback. It ain't happening. That was the pullback. Still a higher low on 5 too. Really should have took that. Man, ENVB got slapped. He passed up on that one. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Yo, what up, Bobby? Yeah, man, I'm ready. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I think I'm ready to wait for it. Oh man, we got some laggy lag. Oh no, halted. Halted up. Morning, Knives. It's a trip how often I have like hella FOMO in the morning about it moving away from a price and be right back to that price a few minutes later, man. Right back down, like splat. Just relax. The hourly's looking pretty nice over here on ENVB. Kind of sad I didn't get to cop that. Mm-mm-mm. And the hourly looks so cool. But we got another 20 minutes on it. I'd say probably slappage. We pick it up around 11:20, and then we ride off into the sunset. Slappage. Mm. Slam hold squeeze. What was that other one? Um, beat. It's a pretty vicious rejection up there. Mm. Look at that beautiful. That beaut. Plab? Is that a ticker? Wave Rider. Ah, I remember Chewy. Yeah, let's use some caps, bro. um, gonna be kidding, bro. When I pull up yours, Pond, the green bar is always solid. Like that. Man, it's impossible knives. Then stop trading, right? All right. There's a reason for that. Yeah. Yeah, your words were echoing in my mind all day yesterday. Dang, Billy. Billy. No. All right. Uh, hmm. Ding, Billy. Billy. Why did you do it? Why did you do it, Billy? Not like this. Not like this. Golly. I should have put a damn order in at 11:20, like I said. But like we don't try to predict the future, we react to the present. Haha. So I really want to get a trade off of this level if the things are right. And I think this is pretty cool. Um, so we'll see how the first pullback acts. If it doesn't go crazy. Dang, that's true, Knives. Dang, BBGI is like, hey, bro, I need 10 after that one. I bet it bust through 7, man. This would have been a cold entry. Bow, straight through 7. That's a kill candle. It's still uptrending though. Pretty nice setup on the hourly, I would say. If we can get back above that, I guess. Golly, BBGI. Just golly. Yeah, it is. It is kind of lacking at this point, but I just is it low volume? It does look kind of low actually. I am sitting kind of far back though. Hold on, it still looks kind of low. Testing, testing. Let's see here. Got my decibels all the way up. Can't trade while sick. Let's see here. Yeah, I got my decibels all the way up on OBS. That's funny though, because usually I would be spiking to, oh, you know what? Maybe it's the compression. PBGI is just finished. Got nothing for me. That's kind of nice, but feels risky. All right, low on the 5. All right, low on the 15. Oh boy. 35 seconds left. Candle's getting kind of wide. 15's good, but that rejection doesn't look like anything on the 5. Just hold your horses. The MVB getting hit with the Destructo Ray right now. Yo, what up, Stanford?
Order filled.
Stop is kind of tight, yeah. It's a wide wick. It could definitely make another low. Whenever I don't want to risk to the bottom of the wick, it's usually a no trade. Or I wait for it to come back and retest again. That was FOMO. Ooh, and a lower low on 5. Not too much. I got ENVB and beat slash BBGI. Checking out. 52. 54. 8-cent spread. Guess the sellers haven't either. $0.10 spread. Ooh, what was that? Yeah, this would have been the area I should have been waiting for to enter. Jump the gun again on this one. Probably gonna give me a way better entry. See, way better entry. Assuming it pops. There's the pop. Yep, that would have been the trigger. Stop under here. Sweat. 13 cents lower. Yeah, that would have been way colder. Way colder of an entry. Take out 60. No stop loss. Okay, we got the higher low on the 15. Nah, I like it now. I just jumped in too early. It did my setup. This is where I should have been entering. Right here, we got the higher low. So I just jumped the gun hella. And I paid like 13 cents extra. Yeah, I got my level down here at 125 focus. That's what I'm looking for. This might be close enough right here. Uh, go gadget. I think so too. I've had my days. Come on, baby. You can do it. It's VWAP right there. Just need a little popsy. It's his Wednesday. What did he say about Wednesday? He don't trade.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. I know I should have went high today, but I did good. I sold at my level. Just I could have got a better entry, but bro, see, this is why I knew the day that I decided to get all the way out of my trades. Literally yesterday, the same thing happened. Thanks, Pond. That's why I be wanting to sell partials, but I feel like more times than not when I sell partials, I end up with less than I would have if I sold my target. Yeah, see, I really don't like missing the squeeze because the squeeze is the whole reason I'm trading small caps. The whole reason I'm trading small caps is the squeeze, and now I'm missing the squeeze, bro. Yeah, but that's cool. It's probably gonna get slapped, come back down, then we can holler at it again. So, bro, you know I would have ate this up. It would have been like order filled, order filled, order fit, bro. It would have been cool. But I do think this is good. It's just I don't like missing what I normally would catch. And I'm really disappointed in myself for FOMOing in right here. I hella FOMOed in. So we lost knives. I can't move this up to 0. I couldn't do it. The support was great. The support was on point. And so it worked out. But we got this low and then we got the lower low, right? All I had to do was wait for that guy right there, which was this guy. Look at the entry and stop. Freaking crazy. This would have been 7, 8R, bro. Maybe not that much, but like 4R. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh gosh, epic pin. Okay, we got the double top. That's pretty nice right there, actually. What's up with BBGI? It's a mess. It's just a mess. What are we trying to do here? Come on down. Bro, if we get, imagine a nice little 5-minute pullback into 1234. Yo, Your boy will be back in there with the swimwear. Beat is looking pretty cool right here. I like this little setup right there, but it keeps making overloads. Broke that last low. Oh no, it's been 128. That's a triple 128. Not exactly an uptrend.
Order filled.
Everybody has the same look today. What is that? Um, I'm trying something different today and getting out of all of my position at a target. Um, Buy high, sell low. Really needed that. Oh, we did break 32. Why didn't I wait? Ooh, big shares coming in on the ass. What does it mean? Yo, come on with it. Come on, 33. There it is. The wick looked nasty. It looked nastier than it really is. Like if you dial in, it's not really that bad. Not that bad. Like it looked bad on the 15, but if you look at it on the 5, it's like okay, all the volume was up here in this candle, and it still held it open. And then okay, this candle crashed out, but not the volume on it wasn't really that impressive, you know. Um, I think if we can retake VWAP, I think 150s is reasonable. The 5 is super triggered. You don't like it below 128? Yeah, my stop is 126. So, what's up, Draco? We looking good so far, man. I think we got the green, so green. Oh, look at that. Look in there. I didn't it, bruh. Higher low on the 5 on EN. I'm on the 1 on ENVB, and we're getting back in. Just need a higher low on the 1. Getting back in. Honestly, I really want 160s, but I don't want to be too greedy. So I kind of feel like 154-ish, maybe 153 be more reasonable. But I'm expecting, uptrend from here. So, ENVB with the crash out. But we'll see. I really like what I'm seeing on the 5. Hourly looks cool. Don't take another trade. Ooh, there's VWAP. Pretty strongly there. Ask is getting smashed still. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. I think I waited for the perfect moment, focus. um did I change it from what? This is probably more reasonable right here. 140s. What's this high? 147. That's pretty reasonable. Yeah, I'm not intending to use 2R as a hard take profit. That's just what my hotkey is set to, and I'm gonna move it to where, since I'm only taking one sale, I'm gonna pick the one that I really think we can hit. This does seem like the spot though, like, but I mean, yeah, you're right, man. If we could take 145, that's like all the day's volume pretty much underneath us. That's pretty good. After the move it's made so far, would I accept getting stopped? Nah, that would be unacceptable, man. I will go. I'm gonna go like just under 130. My stop is 131. I'm gonna just go 130. Cool. Appreciate you, Ben. That was very thoughtful of you. Something I need to be mindful of, especially if I'm holding for the big dog. Mm-hmm. 154, and I really want it to be 161. I think it should be 145, 147. Um, I don't know. Might sell half into that. That's not my auto doing all this thinking. I should just take 2R and be happy. We're looking for process. I can't remember what my 2R is now though, so I just gotta stick with this one. Nah, but like looking at the 5 or even the 15, yeah, I think that's reasonable actually. Um, man, appreciate it, Bobby. 15-minute bearish fair value gap didn't get formed, so now we really want to get over 145. Yeah, that's a pretty big extension on the 5 right there, though. The chances of it It's over VWAP though. Got that part. I don't know, man. There's 2R right there, baby. It's a pretty big move up on the 5. Yeah, I mean, this is probably the top of this 5-minute bounce. It's gonna pull back, could have sold and re-entered. That's what I'm forgetting. That's what I'm forgetting. That's what I'm forgetting. My bad, focus. A little FOMO from missing that squeeze. That hit 2R though for sure. I saw it. What up, Jack? How's it going, man? Yeah, you're right, man. EBGI. Yeah, it was just halting up. I just took it off. Like it didn't look like something I was gonna be able to interact with. Yeah, like I thought. I seen that being the top of that 5-minute move. But if we kicking into uptrend, it should have another leg to it. That's the part I'd be forgetting when I get a little antsy. Is trading the higher time frame. So uh should have a little more motion. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this pullback though. It's gotta hold 36. Uh, uh, golly, some big shares coming through at the bid. There we go. There we go. Sitting on your hands till after 2 p.m. You a power hour trader now, Jack? Or you mean you done for the AM session and you're not no rate cut? Fed cut. Hmm. Oh, okay. Gotcha. The scanners, man. Just the gap scanner in the morning. I use Zendu scanner on YouTube, man. It's free. $3 spreads. I've never I've had some desperate days where I tried to hang out for after hours and I've never seen any tradable price action after hours. I guess I just never been in the right spot, but everything that was like moving during regular market, it just dies. It moves, but it's just not tradable, like you said. Like you said, yeah. Oh, was it? I mean, I ain't looked in ages, bro, but I've just had some days where I was, trying to dig out of a hole all the way till the closing bell, and you still in a position, and now you're like, oh man, what's gonna happen now? It's just a scanner. It's a live scanner, or yeah, it has a squawk too. Sometimes you'll hear I got the something calling out stocks in the background. That's the Zendu scanner. Dang, EMVB, that was pretty cool on the five. He wasn't scared of that, but it didn't. I'm cool. I do want to take it a trade over 1234. I think that would be cool. Dang, man, this thing gonna turn into a loser. A loser. Dang, bro, we had 2R. I lost sight. The greed. Yeah, I forgot that was part of the hotkey take profit wasn't just about selling the entire position, but about taking consistent R's. But I still think this is a great kickoff to the uptrend, but I'm gonna be real sad if I get stopped out and then it goes. I'll probably hop back in, which is exactly why I should have sold the top, because this is two trades that I've turned into one trade. Because we could have been out there and then we could be looking for, you know, another higher low setup on the five. Yeah, we messed up, yo. The old shot in the foot. The old shot in the foot. Um, yeah, I got you, Addy. Um, bruh. Yeah, this is definitely about to be a second trade that could have occurred if we get a higher low out of this one. It would definitely have to bounce from here, though. What did it get to? 42. Bruh, totally turned 2 trades into 1 trade. Totally. And it might not even be a second trade. What, this target? About to take another trade. SMC. I have not heard of that. Richard Quickoff. Nah, I haven't. Yeah, bro, I totally turned 2 trades into one. Like a fool. All right, Hattie. Fool. Mm-mm-mm. Would have been up 4R right now, looking for the third trade. Yep, that's what it was. Like my last 3 trades squeezed like a dollar, not a dollar, but like a good percentage past my target. The last 3 trades I took, the 2 I took yesterday and the one I took this morning. So it was impossible to sell at 2R. And now I will pay the price. Mm-hmm. Just a lot of pain for some greed. Golly. I appreciate it, Bobby. But I needed to see the weight of the 2R. It was like to the penny 2R too. Yeah, I regret it now. I regret it now. So you can say, remember that one time next time, and I'll be like, yo, I'm gonna sell. Because this is retarded. Totally, it's totally a 2 trade situation. Or a 1 trade and a no trade, you know. Da, 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 but my entries are 2 for 2 so far. That's cool. Just got in the way. Got in the way, focus. Hmm. I do love management, but you gotta sell some right there. That's the thing, bro. It's like mixing management styles. Like it's okay to still be in the trade if you sold some. But why? Just sell it all and then buy it all back here. You know? Yeah. Yeah. That looks so good. What's it gonna be? 31 looks way more stacked. Come on, 33. Sellers are doing way more. Yeah, that's cool. I did the work to be up 4R though, so that's what's disappointing. Uh,
Order filled.
mm, mm, mm. mm, mm, mm. Take it like a man. Yeah, that's what I was hoping to get to, but it was just unnecessary to try to get that high when I got in as low as I did. Why enter beat? What a bad entrance. Word. Word. That was freaking sniper entrance. Almost no pain on this trade to my target. Yeah, it was a little meat. It was enough meat on the bone left for me, Stanford. I just didn't take it. Yeah, this is my bread and butter right here. Felipe. Higher low on the 5 and double bottom. Well, I guess just double bottom. Kind of like a triple bottom actually. Light volume on the 2 red candle pullback. Boom. Up 2R. Mm. Dang, focus. I messed up. We almost had a homer. 4R. That's cool though. Now I get it though. I get it. I get it. This is my piece. In between these two lines, that's my piece. Honestly, 2R. 2R is my piece. Plab. Let me check it out. Yeah, man. Where'd you get in? P&L chaser. I know, bro. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Mm-mm-mm. It's a cool little double bottom right here, but this is how I be getting caught up buying right here. It looks silky on the 5 though. And the 15 look nice too. But I ain't buying it up there. Dip buy, don't you know? Don't you know? What was it? Plug the plow. Dip buy, don't you know? Like right in here? That's saucy right there. Dip buy, don't you know? ENVB get the slap. Goodbye, Billy. uh, that 2R adds up, man. That 2R adds up. Dang, bruv. There's 126 focus. Need a higher low on the 5 though. It's looking pretty bad on the higher time frames, to be honest. It's a nice week into the level, but lower lows everywhere. T&L chaser. Imagine if I were entering and swapping 2 chairs. Yeah. Mm. I don't know if I don't see a second trade on ENVB yet. do think beat is interesting here. Could probably get a cool little 2R run up to VWAP. A little tight risk here. 4-cent stop. It's all beat up though. At least ENVB's flirting with VWAP. My first trade, yeah. If you mean if I entered here, yeah. Got in too early, bro. Wait, what do you mean 1160? 1135. Yeah, nah, I think it should have been 1130. That would have been, yeah, that would have been sweet. I got in a little higher, like 45, I think. Nice. I see you, Pond. I've been noticing how you build into your positions, Pond. There goes beat. Higher low on the 5, and I'll be back in it. The wick is so good on the 5 that I almost just wanted to take it, but it was also a lower low on the 15 too, so I couldn't. Like all the time frames are looking sketch right now. But this could be a nice little turnaround point. Just gotta give it some time, let it cook a little bit. Let it cook a little bit. I don't know, man. A part of me feels like I just need to attack these levels no matter what. Highly regarded conviction, yeah. Yeah. Sometimes that works out great, and sometimes I get destroyed. So I've decided to just not add all together anymore. Chariots pattern. What we talking about? I still think we have different pictures in our heads. Or at least I have a different picture in my head from you when you say Jared's pattern. Oh, that guy right there. The 3-bar play. I want to see what this 5-minute pullback. Yeah, kinda. I mean, you usually don't want to have all this resistance to the left, though. You know, he always says look to the left, and I think you want this guy. It is above these highs, you know, this little high, but I mean, it's a lot of friction over here that uh, I'm sure he would. If you sent him a screenshot of this and said, "Is this a 3-part play?" He would be like, "Look to the left." But I mean, on a super micro, you know. You seem like you're resting your foot on the brake just to make sure it don't get too crazy though, bro. You seem to be approaching it the right way, HH. MNTS. I pulled up MNTS this morning. I forgot all about it. This actually looks like a cool little spot. Actually, this looks like a perfect little spot. Assuming I had 91 cent as a level, which I mean, 90 something cent. Yeah, kind of cool. Nice little buyers then came in. Nice. Well done, HH. Beat going too crazy, dog. This wick was so good. Like, just buy it, man. Nah, that's FOMO talking though. I'm just gonna wait for the 5 minute pullback and see what it looks like. And if it's weak, and we can get a nice little entry down here, I think that will be fine. ENVB also coming back into 1114. Still not looking terrible on the higher time frames either. Not at all. Not at all. All right, so we got like maybe 12 minutes to wait on beat. And this is still pretty high. This could be a good minute. It's pretty light volume though on the on this move up on beat. Pretty light. Yeah, well done, man. So Tuesday's the day now. Hijack. Chilling. Just chilling. A pasta maker? What are you talking about? Oh, pasta maker. Man, I can't even log into my prop reports. Fine. I'm pretty sure I'm um I don't know. As it sits, I'm up 5.75 R this week, but I was down pretty bad last week. I had like a 8R negative 8R day. So I'm pretty sure I'm still red, bro. It's gonna be a it's gonna be a miraculous last 2 weeks that I'm gonna catch up though. I'm actively getting my act together live on stream. Man, I had IRBT on my chart when I loaded it up this morning and watched it break out. Starting to feel like I need to start tracking these a little bit. Yeah, I'm hoping I hope to end the week break even and come out next week ready to build. Hmm. Need that higher low on the 5, man. That one looking cool though. It's a pretty nasty pull in though. Hmm. $11.38. Come on and test it one more time. Be like 124. I'm gonna see this break 38. Hmm. U.S. Aerospace Catalyst. What is that? Money on front page. Bro, just make a quick little low real quick, bro. There you go. MNTS. Well, I already traded my two, so. Oh. Oh yeah, for sure, dude. All right, focus. Thanks for hanging out, man. Tomorrow will be even better, God willing. And honestly, being honest, Hmm. I don't know, man. I think we should just call it. Just call it, man. Yeah, I've been trading off stream, and I don't want to do that. So I was kind of trying to hang out and see the plays that I be seeing when I get off of the stream. Yeah, no, for sure. For sure. Beat's still kind of looking like a little snack over here. Double bottom. 32, 122, 122. I still feel like it might be another trade in one of these. They're both at a pretty key level of support. And they're both throwing pretty good volume at that level too. Beat is underneath it though. But we got like a double bottom setting up here. So really higher low on the one. And I would feel gripping hope tight. Yeah, I am Frank. What say ye? I mean, I'm not itching to trade it, but I like what's happening. I see some potential in what's happening. Emotions due to lost R's. Sad tear. Put them on a leash. Yeah, you ain't lying. Joker ran away, man. MNTS. It looks even better than it did last time I looked at it, HH. Higher low on the 5, higher low on the 15. Volume looks pretty thin, but I don't have any levels drawn, so it looks kind of weird. Say 90. What's up, Brian? I appreciate you, man. Looks like a pretty strong downtrend, though, on the hires. What up, T-Lo? See, bunch of red. Man, I took a loss because I didn't sell that 2R, bro. That was my problem.
Order filled.
Yeah, I was tripping with my big bird with my unrealistic target. This is more on the strength of this 5 right here. Yeah. Yeah, I seen him in TS. It's just hard for me now to switch to something that I haven't been watching all morning. And thank God a whole 125. That's funny, HH. ENVB coming down to that 1034 level you had, Trey. Nah, I ain't. This gonna be my last trade for sure. We get up here, I'll bring my stop up a little tighter too. Expecting this thing to run off on the plug. Oh, we got the 15 closed green too. Double bottom too. A little extra volume. Just got to get over 127. All right, HH. Good looking out. That would have been super gangster to get in right there over that narrow range candle on the one. I just wanted a little more. A little more. 0% reason to go down. That's hilarious. Yeah, I definitely see a nice little entry over 92. Stop under 89. That would have been cool on the 5. Two-hour day, only 0.5 R. What you mean 2-hour day, only 0.5 R? Oh, you interfered? Ah. Yeah, I had a potential 4-hour day, man. Now I got 1.75. Might be 0.75 after this. Yeah, I FOMO'd into my ENVB trade, but I was right about the support. I just could have got a way better entry. Is it FOMO? Whoa. Well,
Order filled.
0.75 it is. Hmm. Nah, it's nothing. It's over. The hourlies on both of these are done. Yeah, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Well, we learned a good lesson today. Take your 2R trade. Mm-hmm. Take your 2R trade. Yep. I would have definitely been super happy to leave with 4R. And even if I took one more swing after that, would have had 3R, would have been cool, you know. Yeah. All right. Well, I am going to do a recap and go to the gym. And we'll just have this little baby green day that we learned a couple good lessons. What did we learn? We learned that it feels better to take 2R and watch it go to 3R than it does to not take 2R and watch it go to 0. That's what we learned. So now that we know that for sure, I'm going to take 2R tomorrow. I got the bracket order. I'm just going to leave it be. And that'll be that. Yeah. Don't be greedy. Yeah, real talk. Real talk. Damn, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't have let it pull back below VWAP too. Like most of the time when I buy below VWAP, it's like, bro, you gotta sell through VWAP. But I mean, at least the obvious level up here, bro. I set my order and moved the PT, bro. This literally ticked 2R. I looked down in my P&L and it said 2R, and I was like, should I sell it? Pew. I moved it. I moved it way up here somewhere, Trey. I think I had it at like 153. Yep. So that was my beautiful trade, man. Freaking beautiful trade. Oh, would have been so clutch to tick out right there. And then this crap. uh Closed below the level and everything. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah, that was whack. All right. Yeah. So I think that's pretty much it. Like my entries are, I still FOMO'd on ENVB. I didn't want to wait for the higher low after this wick. Um, I didn't want to wait on the higher low on the 5, and it literally gave it to me, and it was just like my risk literally would have been this candle right here. See, those are the ones I don't like. If I get in, my risk is that tight and resistance is up here. That's when it's gonna be hard to sell 2R, because like I'd be out of the trade here in the middle of the range, literally in one candle. Yeah. 1164. Oh yeah. Yeah, this was actually 2R for me though. My take, well, you can see that from my take profit here. I think it was a couple pennies above my 2R. Looks pretty nice. But anyways, all right, y'all. I'm out of here. Thanks for hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I'll check y'all tomorrow, man. Peace. What y'all doing still here? I forgot I was still streaming. I should have flipped over and traded this ENVB bounce with you guys. And I just missed beat. I was watching it on the 1 and it looked like trash, but I was like, man, this is a sweet entry on the 5. But my bracket order only sold like half of my position, and so I was busy over here trying to manage out, and I'm looking over here and looking over there, and then I missed the pop to 11. So I'm really liking the bracket order exit and just not having to manage. But I mean, I don't know what's going on with my broker lately. It literally, I had to manually exit my last position. But yeah, anyway, nice screen for the day. All right, I'm out again.